Alright, so as you can see, I've propped the snowblower up on these paint cans just so that I can sit on my stool here and have the electronics right in front of my face. So I got the electronics box mounted. This is a fuse block here, and I have these three switches. This one controls the motor for the chute rotation. This one controls the linear actuator for the chute up and down. And this one controls the headlights. That's what I'm working on right now. So I've just drilled some holes in the bucket area here, and I'm going to use this tap to put some threads in the metal, and then I'll bolt these down. And the next thing I have to do is just wire them up back to the main control panel here, and then I'll pretty much be done. I have to wire everything back together and test it out. But that's basically it. So hopefully I'll get that done within about an hour or so. Cool.